I want every girl to know that her voice can change the world. Hello guys, I am Sharon Pereira. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am posting motivational videos with interesting facts. I hope you will like it. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please do watch this video till end. At the behest of Bella Abzug, the US Congress designated August 26th as Women's Equality Day. It is celebrated in the United States on August 26 to commemorate the 1920 adoption of the 19th Amendment to the United States Constitution, which prohibits the state and the federal government from denying the right to vote the citizen of the United States on the basis of sex. Even Indians celebrate this day as Women's Equality Day. Women's rights started in India on 16 December 1719. Everyone say that our India has progressed a lot. Has the thinking of people progressed? No, because today there are a lot of people who are against the education of their daughter. If you don't want to provide education for your daughter, then why do you find a lady doctor for your daughter? Educate daughter, give them a chance, then the country will surely be proceed. Apart from this, Indian rank 133rd in the Women's Peace and Security Index 2019. Rapism is the fourth most common crime against women in India. The rapists in 93.7% of the cases were people known to the rape victim. In as many as 18,059 cases, the rapists were friends, employers, neighbors, or other known person, while in 11,945 cases they were online friends. The overall number of crimes against women has risen steadily from 3,22,929 in 2016 to 3,45,989 in 2017 and around 3,78,277 in 2018. Is 2020, but same old story. The data shared with The Hindu recorded that March 22 to April 12, the number of rape cases registered under Section 376 of Indian Penal Code stood at 23. In Hyderabad, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, etc., all these cases have just become a number for us. What I want to say is, change your mentality, change your thinking, respect girls. If you can't respect girls, at least don't abuse them. If a girl wears short dress, it doesn't mean that she is characterless. If she wears dress in which her waist can be seen or cleave, it doesn't mean she is exposing herself. She wears it for her happiness, her comfort. Some say that because of girl wearing short dress, crime like rape takes place. As much as I have seen innocent girls, small kids are being raped. Why? When did they expose? For the monsters who rape all the girls are victims. The monsters will never let a girl to live her life freely. Don't restrict a girl. In spite of that, teach a boy to respect girls. Not every girl is a clay thing in the vicious hands of boys. She is not just a girl. She is a mother, daughter, or sister, and much more of someone's family. When you judge a girl by her appearance, it doesn't define her, it defines you. So please say no to rape. Educate girl. Don't restrict her. And most important thing is respect her. Women are foolish to think they are equal to men, because I think they are superior to them and always been. Happy Women's Equality Day. Thank you for being with me till end of this video. I will see you in next video.